And why are you not worried about that elbow? You know, that the league might have to look at it.
The league looked at it, like I said, I mean, I didn't even think it was an elbow. So, I mean, my elbow was by my hip. So it's a hit. Like I said, I would hit him 7 days a week and twice on Sunday again. I mean, I was pretty shocked. I think it was the back referee that made the call, and it's his angle, whatever he sees. I don't even think it was a headshot. So, I mean, it's a hit.
Of course, it does help to have that penalty killed off at a very crucial time in the game.
Yes, obviously you don't want to put the team shorthanded at any time, and you know, especially we were on the power play there, and like I said, I just felt I was finishing my check, and you know, it's hockey, and they're especially trying to bear down on that. So I understand what the refs are seeing, but like I said, I thought it was cool.